Circular computing provides products to large users of IT, enabling them to buy sustainably with confidence.
Perception is our biggest competitor. The market has a preconceived understanding of what is refurb. Nobody knows what remanufacturing is. It just isn't in the vernacular in the IT industry. So what we're doing is creating a market position between new and refurb, which we call remanufacturing.
The challenge for us was trying to quantify and qualify our statement that we knew that our products were equal to or better than new. It's a big statement. The only way that we could verify that was by working with BSI, and the 8887 standard underpins that statement. The audit then underpins the process, and that process confirms via the audit that our products are equal to or better than new.
Simply the standard of 8887 means that our products are fully tested. The defect rate of remanufactured is actually better today than brand new. In the UK, when you dial 999, that emergency phone call to call an ambulance is coming out over our equipment. So it's difficult to imagine that a business activity would have a higher risk factor or risk tolerance requirement than calling an ambulance. Our products have been approved by the MOD as well.
The biggest challenge we faced as an organisation was the belief by the user that second user was actually second best. Working with BSI and providing the Kitemark for the standard for remanufactured laptops provides a framework for the perception to be moved where the customer has a real alternative to new.
BSI, as in 8887, brings a third-party independent view on our processes that assures our customer base that our products meet the standards that we say. It's an international standard that allows industry to understand the distinction between refurb and remanufacturing. And that distinction is critical. It's a critical enabler to ultimately achieving penetration in the circular economy.
The Kitemark certification ultimately provides the buyer with utmost confidence that they're buying a sustainable product as presented that ultimately helps them and the government achieve its net zero ambition.
Essentially, the big picture from the work with BSI beyond the certificate and achieving and so on is that the industry is empowered to change the way IT information products, ICT products are purchased. That's the critical enabler here. We can now finally, after all these years, provide an alternative to new that is in full compliance with the circular economy and all the benefits that humanity needs. For us, this is an amazing achievement. It's a team effort. We're the first company within the IT industry to break through this barrier of achieving 8887 with a Kitemark in the circular economy. It's everything that everyone has dreamed and worked for years to realize this vision. It's a very, very proud moment for every member of our team.
Being part of this project has allowed us to communicate our differences with assurance to our target market. It has allowed us to set a standard in the industry against which others can be measured, but ultimately it allows our customers to buy with confidence products that ultimately will help them be more sustainable. The world is about to change, and the IT industry is changing with it. Circular Computing are incredibly proud to be the first to market, the pioneer of a remanufactured solution that not only is more sustainable than what was traditionally bought, but is more affordable. We are absolutely proud to be the world's first in IT remanufacturing.
It gives me great pleasure to present the world's first Kitemark certification for remanufacturing your laptops. A great achievement and a real credit to the quality of your products.
Thank you very much. This is 5 years in the making from Circular Computing that allows us to make the claim that our products are equal to or better than new, verified by BSI. So thank you very much.